Good morning, guys. So Elliot just woke up. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. So we're gonna get our day started. I'm gonna give him some milk, change his diaper, feed him, change him in less than 15 minutes because I am working early this morning, so I really gotta go. So we are off to daycare. Elliot is in the back. As you see, maybe we are in Nathan's car. I ran out of gas and didn't have time to go put some, so I took Nathan's car. I didn't drive this baby for a couple of months, and God, I love this car. Way better than mine, obviously, but I have a crappy car. I'm stuck, guys. I'm stuck behind a freaking bus, and I left late, and I so don't want to be late. Like, it's my first time in that subway. I'm not working in mine today and tomorrow, so God damn it. Really? Like, I hate working this early just because of that. Only reason. And I'm so tired. I went to bed at 10:30 and I did not sleep enough. Nope. No, I went to bed at 11. But yeah. So Elliot's in the back, just chilling. And we're going to daycare. So I am at work. I am not early at all today. I have 8 minutes left. So I'm just gonna go in and start my job. So not a lot of time to talk to you guys. But yeah, so I'll see you guys after work. So I'm on break right now. I came in my car. It's raining. I'm gonna go back. I am working again in 5 minutes. So yeah, it's cold. Look, it's cold, and there's a car. Awkward. I'm done, guys. I am currently now going at my stepmom's place to wait because that's what I'm gonna do from now on. I'm just gonna go to her place and wait to go get Elliot. It is now 2 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna go chill with my stepmom and then I'm gonna go get my son. So I just got Elliot. I am arriving in about 2 minutes at home. I hope you guys can hear me. Slow it down, mama. But yeah, so I'm arriving home. I really have to go pee. And I'm sorry, I just got something. But yeah, so we're arriving home in about 2 minutes. Elliot is back there. I just love this car so much. Oh my God. But yeah, I've been in my car like all day for you guys, but no, I haven't. I have been working and out of my car. I promise, guys. What? What about Papa? Papa? Wait. Wait now. You can't even see me anymore. But we are home. Papa. Papa. So wait, here we go. Hey, so now I am going to take a shower because I need it. But I'm sorry I didn't film a lot, like between the coming home and like with Elliot and all that. I just fed him and all that, so now it's time for my shower. So just got out of the shower and now I'm gonna get dressed, go on YouNow, then film YouTube videos. I have stuff to do. Hey, so it's the next morning. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to end the vlog. I put on some Netflix and watched a couple of episodes with Nathan and I just fell asleep after, because I went on YouNow and then I did that, so I just fell asleep. I'm sorry guys, but hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.